What if you could start an automated business in 2025, even if you've never made a single dollar online before? I know, it sounds too good to be true, but in this video, I'm walking you through the exact 7-step blueprint I wish I had when I got started. By the end, you will know how to set up a system that works while you live life. And later in this video, I'll share real stories of everyday ordinary people who have made their first sale online while out living life. If you're new to me, hi, I'm Charlene, a 44-year-old mom of 3 from Boise, Idaho, who's been in dentistry over 20 years. And for years, we were exhausted, living paycheck to paycheck. And honestly, I thought freedom wasn't even an option for us. I tried all the online income ideas, Amazon affiliates, t-shirts, jewelry, even tried making my own course. But either the money was too small or the tech was way overwhelming. But in late 2024, I found a system that came with done-for-you products, automation, and training already all built in. That's when everything changed. Now I work a couple hours a day and I'm getting the freedom that I have been praying for. And today I want to show you the same step-by-step roadmap. Let's start with the biggest reason most people fail online. Most courses give you information, but not a system. They'll teach you a theory, but they'll leave you asking, where's the product? Where are the emails? And how do I actually even make money from this? That's why people burn out. It's not because they're lazy. It's because they didn't have the right framework. Once I discovered a done-for-you business system that had all the products, the website, the funnel, the automations, everything clicked. For the first time, I could see exactly what I needed to do next. If you're thinking, okay, I get it, but I want to see how this actually works, go down in the description, grab my Freedom Formula Blueprint, and it's going to show you everything step by step. So what actually makes an online business automated? It comes down to these 3 things: simplicity, structure, and automation. I create a video, my freebie is attached to it, and from there, the system takes over. The funnel captures email, automation nurtures trust, and when people are ready, they buy, even if I'm at work, making dinner, or sleeping. Imagine money arriving in your account, not because you were glued to your phone, but because the system that you set up is always out there running for you. That's the power of automation. But what about selling? Do you have to be pushy? Absolutely not. Attraction marketing, people will come to you. You can share short, valuable content that speaks directly to your ideal customer, and then your funnel does the rest. Check out this testimonial. You don't need a big following or influencer status. You just need the right message paired with the right system. If you're like me and you learn best by seeing how this works behind the scenes, check out the free class that I have linked down below. It's going to walk you through the full strategy. Now, here's the piece that most beginners skip, and it's why they never get consistent sales. Most people do not buy the first time they see something. They need time, trust, and follow-up. That's what email automation does for you. I've had sales from people that I have never directly spoken to, simply because my email educated them, answered questions, and built trust. This is what turns your business into a system instead of a hustle. It's like having a 24/7 salesperson working for you without you needing to chase anybody. Now, here's a shortcut that made all the difference for me. When I started, I didn't have to create anything from scratch. I plugged into a system that came with 4 done-for-you digital products: a pre-built website, a funnel, and automated email. Check out this testimonial of one of our community members who made her first sale shortly after getting her system set up. This is like HelloFresh for your income. Instead of trying to figure out every ingredient by yourself, the whole recipe is laid out for you. You just have to follow the steps. Now, if you need a clearer picture of how all this fits together, grab the Freedom Formula Blueprint down below. It's the same guide that I used when I got started, and it's totally free. So what happens when you get stuck? This is where most courses will leave you stranded. But with the right program, you get coaching, live support, and a community of people walking the same path. When you've had mentors who have done it before, plus a community that has your back, you don't just get information, you get accountability and encouragement. That's what keeps you moving when life gets busy. Let's be real. Why do most of us want this? For me, it was about being present for my kids and not feeling chained to a paycheck. For you, It might be to travel, early retirement, or just breathing room at the grocery store. Check out this community member who made $900 while shopping at Costco. When you have an automated income stream, you get options. Options to work less, earn more, and live life on your terms. Here's what I want you to remember. You don't need a big following, tech skills, or endless hours to build real income online. Just the right system, a clear plan, a willingness to take that first step forward. And if you're still wondering what's the absolute easiest way to start, I got you. Click right here to watch my next video, Easiest Side Hustle in 2025. I'll break down the simplest path to your first income stream online, even if you're starting completely from scratch. I'll see you in the next one.